Hey guys, Danny Austin here. So I recently got engaged, but let me tell you, planning a wedding can be exhausting. All the running around is really taking a toll on my skin, but I wanted to show you guys one of the ways that I've been able to revitalize and de-stress my skin. So my friends at First Aid Beauty have done it again. You guys, if you have dull or stressed out skin like I do, you have to try First Aid Beauty's Hello Fab Ginger and Turmeric Vitamin C Jelly Mask. Yes, this is a jelly mask. I mean, you guys have got to check out this texture. So this really is one of the coolest products I've ever used. There's really nothing like it. And when I say cool, I mean it actually leaves my skin with this cooling sensation and ultimately leaves it feeling invigorated and refreshed. Not to mention, y'all, the smell is totally addictive. So this bad boy is packed with superfoods like ginger and turmeric, which both help to soothe your skin, and then vitamin C, which helps to brighten your skin. In a consumer perception test, 100% reported skin appeared brighter, felt refreshed and cooled. 97% reported skin felt smooth, supple, and calmed. And numbers do not lie, people. So what I'll do is I'll apply this onto clean skin, of course, avoiding the eye area, and I'll leave it on for 10 minutes as I read or do some more wedding planning. So I'll take it off with water and a washcloth, and I'll do this about 2 to 3 times a week or any time that my skin is feeling stressed. So if you guys want to wake up or brighten your skin, you guys have to try First Aid Beauty's Hello Fab Ginger and Turmeric Vitamin C Jelly Mask. It's like a power nap for your skin.